Question 25. Mr. Watkins needs to buy some oil for his central heating. Mr. Watkins can put up to 1,500 litres of oil in his oil tank. There are already 850 litres of oil in the tank. Mr. Watkins is going to fill the tank with oil. The price of oil is 67.2 pence per litre. Mr. Watkins gets 5% off the price of oil. How much does Mr. Watkins pay for the oil he needs to buy? This is a big question. It's worth 5 marks. There's lots of parts to it, so take it slowly. Take your time and look at what the question needs to know. So we need to know how much oil he buys, how much that will cost, and how much he would save to show how much he will pay at the end. So let's start with this first block of information. He can put 1,500 litres in his tank. There's already 850. So the oil that he needs would be found by taking the total that he can have, subtracting what is already there, 1,500, subtract 850, leaves us with 650 litres. So he's going to buy 650 litres of oil. So the price is 67.2 pence per litre. Two ways of doing this: could take off 5% now, or take 5% off at the end. It doesn't matter. For now, I'm going to start off by working what the total cost would be before the discount. So we have 650 litres multiplied by 67.2 pence. 0.2 means he is spending 436.80 pence, or £436.80 before the discount. So doing that alone would still give us a couple of marks. We've worked out how much oil he buys and what it would cost in pence. But it says that he can get 5% off. So there's lots of different ways to calculate 5%. A very quick and easy way would be to find 10% and to half it. So 10%, we take that number, £436.80, we divide it by 10 to find out 10%. So that's £43.68. So if that's 10%, 5% is just half of that value. So that would be £21.84 that he would save. So if that's the saving, and that's how much he's supposed to spend originally, the total cost for Mr. Watkins would be £436.80, subtract his £21.84 saving, so 436.8 subtract 21.84 leaves him with a bill for £414.96. Just double check if we answered what the question wants. How much does Mr. Watkins pay for the oil he needs to buy? And he wanted to fill the tank, so we've got the amount of oil, the cost, the saving, and the cost after the saving. So the final answer then was, just make sure we write it in the correct place, 414.96.